At People Come First Construction Group, we are a very vertically integrated organization. That means that what we've tried to do is we've tried to take all of the components and manage that in-house for you. In the case where somebody's going to reach out to us, our customer service department is going to have one of our project consultants come out to your house. And our goal is that that happens in 24 hours. They're going to provide you with a design that is very rudimentary and some basic pricing. They're equipped to give you full pricing on site if you allow them the time and you can actually sort out all the details. Once you've decided to move forward with our organization, the next step in the process is it transfers over to our accounting department. And our accounting department is going to make sure that our rep has put in all of the pictures, all of the details, everything that our production team is going to need to be able to look at your project. We call that our firewalling process. Our senior production manager is going to review your job to make sure that all of the details that are there for us to perform the job and get you a permit are accurately described and accurately noted in both the drawings and in the actual written description as well. Once we get through the firewalling process, we move to the next step. We need to see exactly what the backyard looks like. We use a very expensive, high-tech LiDAR machine. That machine comes out to your backyard and scans the entire backyard and the house. We want to see where every bush is, where every window is on the building to make sure that when we're designing this project, we know all of the elevation drops, we know exactly what's on the house and exactly what we're working with, and that way we can move to the next step, which is our CAD drawings and rendering. And our CAD team is going to go through your job and design it if it's rendered, or they're just going to provide a technical plan set that our production team is able to perform. Once we've gone through the CAD process and we've rendered the job, if your job requires a permit and you've elected to go that route, our next step in the process is going to be to head to the city and get that project on their board and get it permitted for you. If they have any corrections, which they always do, we're going to make those corrections. We're going to turn those corrections back in until we get your permit. Once the permit's completed, we're going to start a pre-construction meeting immediately after or within a week. The pre-construction meeting is going to take place at your house where we're going to ask you a litany of questions that are designed specifically for the products that you've chosen. We're then going to start our production team on site with our first day. Build the project for you. Once project's completed, we're going to survey you. Our team is reviewed off of the surveys that you give. Once that's completed, we're going to audit your job. We're going to review the job from start to finish to make sure that the job was priced appropriately. We close out the job and we start the same process for the next project that's coming through the pipeline.